Hello and welcome to day 16 of the 1000 Days of No Code Challenge. You guys remember the picture of an egg which broke the internet? It became the most liked post on Instagram with 55 million likes. But what about the most liked tweet? It's a post by Chadwick Boseman's family, the actor who played Black Panther. The tweet announcing his passing gained over 7 million engagements, showing how people can use social media not just for entertainment but also to show love and respect. Recently, we added a like feature in our tweet app, but that was incomplete because it was just showing like for the current user. That is, if I have liked a post, it would show me that I have liked this post, right? But we are not showing how many likes has a particular tweet got in our application. And even for the user who created the tweet on our app, they will not be able to see how many likes they've got. So in today's video, let's do that, where everybody who is logged in will be able to see which post has got how many likes. Let's get started. When we are on Twitter or now X, you can see that besides the like symbol, we have the counter. And that's exactly what we are going to cover today. So we have this counter here. I'm going to add a text here. Now, last time when we did grouping as column. Today, let's group this together as row. Again, do not worry about what row is, what column is. Just do it for now. Min height, I'm making it as 10. Right? With this fit height to content checked. Do not worry about what that is. Right? And then go to apply gap spacing between elements. And just add 5 for the column. Come back to this text. And click on insert dynamic data. Do a search for tweet liked by. Add new constraint and say linked tweet equals to parent group's tweet. Okay. And then count. Let's see how this is going to show us on the front end. Okay, so this is 0, this is 1, and this is 1. Now we don't want to show zeros, we want to show only if we have count. So let's go over here, right? Copy this, go to conditional, define another condition, paste this, count, click on more, select is 0, then this element is visible, uncheck this. Okay. Now let's see on the front end. So if it's 0, it's not visible. If it's 1, it's visible. Okay. Now let me log in as some other user. Okay, let me go to users and let me log in as support@red7.com. I'll close this. This is the advantage of using Bubble, because you can log in as any user from your app without needing that password. So I'm clicking on like symbol, it became 2. I'm clicking on this one, it became 1, and let me leave this as is. So you can see that when I log in with support@red7.com, I have liked the first and the second tweet. Okay, and when I log in as abcd@red7.com, I've liked the second and the third tweet. Okay, so this red symbol shows that I have liked it. The number shows how many likes have this tweet gotten. Now, with the like count added, the function is more complete. Without this was not more like a social media app, it was like a personal thing. I have liked this, only I could see it. But now, if I like it, others can also see that there are so many likes for a particular tweet. In the next video, we will take things up a bit by introducing pop-ups. That handy little window which makes your app feel more smarter and user friendly. Till then, keep building, stay curious. Chalo, see you in the next one.